Today, let's consider example 3. They say find the slope of the graph. Now what? This is a shape of a graph and diagram of a graph. In an exam, they'll say what? Find the slope of this graph. Don't forget, in our exams, more than thousands of persons will be writing an exam. And they said they should find the slope. You know that what? Slope doesn't match, no matter how you plot your graph. But this one, what? They gave you only 4 options. That in these 4 options, 1 is correct. Are you following now? Only 1 option there is correct. How are you going to what? Find the slope so that even when more than 10 people solve the slope, they can get it. What are you going to do? I told you in the other example that what? Slope is being calculated as what? The change in y over what? Change in x. This is equal to what? Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, this what? These are y-axis and these are x-axis. And they said we should find the slope. Now, if you watch closely, this what? The shape of a slope. Are you following now? This is the shape of a slope. This is y2, y1, x1 and what? x2. They say what? You should find the slope. If you take your slope at 20 here, if you notice this is the shape of what? A slope. You should clean this thing away. You what? You get the shape of a slope. Are you following now? Now let's take our slope at 20 and what? 10. 20 to be what? Y2. This what? Y2 minus what? 10 will be what? Y1 over what? This 2. 2 minus what? Your 1. Are you following now? 20 minus 10 will give you what? 20 minus 10 will give you 10. All over what? 2 minus 1 will give you what? 1. 10 divided by 1 will give you what? 10. Let me see. One person now took what? His slope at 20 and 10. He got what? 10. Now let's check if somebody else, if another person should take his slope from 50 and 30, if you still get the same answer. Now this what? This 50 and what? 30. This is the shape. You clean this thing. You clean this one. You what? Get the shape of what? A slope. This what? The shape of a slope at what? 50 and 30. Now let's calculate this slope. If it what? Give us what? 10. This what? Y2 is what? 50. Y2 is 50. This what? 50 minus what? At 30 over what? This 3. Are you following now? The x2 is what? 3. This what? 5 minus 3. This will give you what? This will give you 20 over what? 5 minus 3 will give you 2. 20 divided by 2 will give you what? 10. This what? The second person now got 10. Now, let's consider the person, the another third person now what? Taking his slope at what? 10 and 0. 10 and 0. If you clean this something like this, you have this shape. 10 and 0. Your y2 is what? 10. Are you following now? 10 minus what? 0 over what? This 1 minus 0. 10 minus 0 will give you what? 10. Over 1 minus 0 will give you what? 1. Now, 10 divided by 1 will give you what? 10. That is to show that what? The answer will become what? 10. Such that no matter the level or place at which you take your slope on this graph, you get what? 10. Are you following now? So the answer becomes what? 10. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for the video.